So Maserati now has a Trofeo.
SUVs are prone to becoming practical to a fault. Most SUVs are simply appliances that put more emphasis on the cup holders and cargo nets than on the engines and suspensions. In many ways, the SUV has devolved to define what is absolutely ordinary. So leave it to us to arrive with the absolute opposite of ordinary. Leave it to Maserati to arrive with a Maserati. Regardless of where you encounter Levante, it's clear that when Maserati designs, crafts, and introduces an SUV, it's immediately apparent that we're out to make more than ripples in the marketplace.
Market for a performance vehicle like this, is it expanding? I mean, is it getting bigger, or what's happening here?
Well, you know, you got to separate it into two categories. You got to separate performance, and then you got to separate into Maserati and Maserati performance. It's completely different. I'll give you an example. We had an event last night. Each of the dealers around the country brought in some of their most loyal customers to see this in advance last night. We didn't really know what to expect. We had over 200 people at our event last night that flew themselves to New York just to see this car. These are people that are very passionate fans of Maserati, and they actually had an opportunity to reserve one last night. We've already pre-sold quite a few of these cars just last night to those previous customers.
Wow.
So there is a core group of people, first for the brand, second for performance.